And if this makes it on the internet, I survive. I'm getting ready to go ahead and load my trot lines on the boat here, and I went ahead and cut one of them in half to go ahead and make it so that I could not lay those freaking lays all messed up. The two of them anyway, you know, like yesterday, I mean, I had them all messed up. So today, you know, should be a little bit more on point. Also, in a few hours, I'm probably going to get rained on, you know, which really freaking sucks. But, you know, hopefully this barometric pressure, this high barometric pressure, does something to these crabs or something. On my way to the spot, back to crazy ridiculous on the water at 2:30 in the morning type stuff for absolutely no reason. Freaking horrible, but yep, getting to my spot, gonna get laid out here shortly. Just got about another half an hour of running out here till I get to my spot. It's a long journey. All right, I'm at my spot. Let's go ahead and see if I can't remember how to lay all these by nothing but the two-dimensional depth finder and the tree lines. Yeah, I've laid them so many times at night, it shouldn't be a problem. Oh yeah, I love laying trot lines out at nighttime. This is so much fun. Yeah, laying lines out at nighttime. I love this stuff. It's my favorite, y'all. It is my favorite doing this. Worry about tangles at nighttime, you can't see nothing. I love it. All right, so the order of laying these things out when it's dark out is kind of like this. First, you hurry up and run and lay whichever line you think is going to do your best first, and then you lay the other two or whatever in the middle, and the last one you lay is always going to be the one that's the hardest to lay, because by that time you hopefully have a little bit of sunlight so that you can see, you know, stuff around you to go ahead and lay it better. So that's generally the way you know, these lines get in the water as far as start to finish. That's the reasoning. At least that's my reasoning. All right, let's see if we can't get a little bit of pre-sunrise crab dipping action going on. There he is. Early crab. And I'm running 2-day-old bait today. I'll be happy to get a basket. Good, I'm glad to see something this early. If I think I'm going to be running them before the sun's up, I'll lay them really tight because you don't got to worry about them seeing the sun and dropping off or nothing. So I got two on that little short line. They both look pretty good. Not bad. Hopefully there's more on this one. There should be. those storms coming in a couple hours, I don't know what that's going to do to these crabs. That's one. I can feel the weight of that guy. Gosh. I'm going to try to respond to random comments from yesterday while I'm dipping crabs off the trot line from the video I did. So one dude was like, those razor clams are like, they're like some seriously addictive stuff to those big crabs. Yes, they are. Like, I mean, this isn't too bad a run for this spot this early in the morning. Darn good run. I'm surprised. And I laid it ever so slightly better than I did yesterday too. Everything. My gosh. It'd be nice if this would keep up and those storms wouldn't come in. Sometimes the storms will, I don't know, they do stuff to the crabs. Like, they intuitively know stuff about how to feed or whatever. And, you know, it's just instinct. And they act accordingly, I guess, for survival. So, however that works with the storms. Hopefully it'll make them feed real hard before the storms hit, which is kind of what I was banking on. I try to be upbeat and optimistic, so I mean, this wasn't too bad, and yesterday the quality was kind of picking up a little bit as I was crabbing, which is good. Can we get one on this end? Just one. Nope. Got at least a dozen. That's good. Alright, so I laid this line significantly better than I did yesterday. Yesterday I just kind of messed both these lays up really. But today I got them laid right. I shortened the one line so it fit where it needs to go. Not this one, but the other one. This was the snapping turtle one. Much better. Had a snag, popped off it though. This sun got way too tight. Trying to loosen it the cheating way. Hopefully I got her a little looser. Alright. Try this one. Alright, let's try this one, the one that was too long that I shortened up. I mean, it wasn't doing hardly anything yesterday at all. There he is. Nice one. Man, 2 in a row. All right now. Much better. And it's 5:30 right now, so much better than, you know, yesterday. I could have actually got out here a little bit earlier, but it's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and keep going around in circles and see if I can't get this basket filled up before it starts raining. All right, it's pushing 6:30. I've got about a half a basket of crabs on the boat. High tide is in about 45 minutes. So this run on this line should be pretty good. But there's usually one on that end at least, so that's not a good sign. These bags have been holding up great. I've already caught almost 40 bushel of crabs on these same zipper bait bags. So, oh, and yesterday I had a snapping turtle munching on one of them. So since I got the semi-automatic Trotline baiting system, it's real easy for me to go through my line and look at it. So I looked at that line, at all my bait bags, because this is 2-day bait, so I didn't rebait or nothing, but I did look at them. I looked at all of my, you know, my zip bags on that line, and I could not find which one that snapping turtle was munching on. So, I mean, if a freaking snapping turtle doesn't damage it to unusability after you've already caught, whoa, 40 bushel of monster crabs. Like, I didn't play when I put these things together. I've been doing this a long time, and I built a product that reflects that. It's not just good in theory, it's good in practice as well. So I just thought I'd mention that, because that snapping turtle was a pretty serious test. See, what I like to do if I can is that 1 hour before the tide's all the way up, I'll try to run everything as fast as I can, just because they feed right at that time. Not too shabby. Alright, the situation has drastically changed. Got rain, thunder, lightning. I've got all my gear in the boat except for this one line. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it one last time and then go ahead and get it in the boat. Usually don't do too much when it's raining. But this has been sitting for a while. The tide is all the way up as high as it'll go. And it's slack. I can hear other boaters getting the heck out of here. Thunder crabs. Ugh. Shoot. Shouldn't even have got back on this and ran it, but I knew there might be a couple on it, so and they'll drop quicker when it's raining too. I don't know what the heck it is. Man, wow, pretty crab. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and yank this line and hurry up and get to port, and I'll show all my totals and everything once I get home, because I can't be out here filming and messing around with this stuff. It's too crazy. Yeah, it's freaking raining sideways now. I'm getting the heck out of here. I ended up with just under a bushel of good ones. So not too bad. It's 8 o'clock right now. But yeah, this is nuts. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And if this makes it on the internet, I survive.